What if I told you in the next 10 minutes, for absolutely free, you could take a photo of someone who's been gone for 50 years and watch them smile? No subscription, no paid app, 3 free tools, 2 short prompts. Let me show you. Hi there. Welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. I'm Alan, still the AI version of me. And a quick reminder for new viewers. The stick figure with the red cap you'll see throughout this video is Sam. Sam represents you, the viewer, while I explain what's happening. Today, 4 steps. Restore and colorize your old photo with ChatGPT. Animate it with Hailuo. Try it on other photos. And what to do when AI gets weird. And the one thing nobody else tells you about these videos. Before we dive in, a quick, how is this even possible? Remember our well-read friend from episode 1? The one who'd read millions of books and gotten really good at guessing what came next? That friend has been busy. Now they've seen millions of photos too, and millions of videos of human faces. So when you hand a photo to an AI restoration tool, it makes a really good guess at what the photo should look like. When you hand that photo to an animation tool, it makes a really good guess at how those features probably move. Same trick, pattern matching, applied to different problems. Let's do it. Step 1, restore and colorize. Both happen in ChatGPT. Both are free. Both take seconds. Watch this. Faded, scratched black and white photo of a young boy on an old dial phone. I drop it into ChatGPT and type 4 words. That's it. Damage gone. Sharper, clearer, still black and white, which is what we asked for. But the kid's old enough that I want to know what color his shirt was. So one more prompt. There he is. Soft vintage color, but clearly the same kid. Quick pro tip. 2 short prompts almost always beat 1 long one. Restore and colorize this photo works too, but you have less control. With 2 prompts, you choose how restored and how colorized you want it. Step 2, bring it to life. For this, we leave ChatGPT and use a free tool called Hailuo. At time of recording, 3 to 5 free animations a day with a daily refresh. No paid account needed. Upload the photo, type the motion you want, press generate, watch. That photo is decades old. The boy in it has been gone for years, and just now we watched him smile. If you want to use a different free tool, Meta AI does animation too. So do Pika and Luma. The skill is the same. Pick whichever one works for you that day. That's the magic. Take a breath. We're not done yet. Step 3. This workflow isn't just for old portraits. Same tools, same kind of prompts. Try it on anything. Here's a stock photo of 3 boys on a scooter, a skateboard, and a motorbike. I gave Hailuo 1 prompt, a whole scene of motion, 3 boys, 3 wheels, 1 sentence. And here's the fun part. AI doesn't have to be serious. Watch what happens when I get a little playful. This is a cat sitting at an outdoor table next to a glass of wine. I asked Meta AI to animate it. Now, I asked for both paws to pick up the glass. Apparently, this particular cat evolved an extra limb. Yes, an extra limb for wine consumption. Convenient. But this is exactly what teaching AI iteration looks like. When AI gets weird, and it will, you don't pay for a subscription. You just rewrite the prompt. I changed with both paws to with its paw. That's the only thing I changed. And now the cat has the right number of paws. When AI gets weird, the answer is almost never a subscription. It's a shorter, clearer prompt. A 5-second reprompt beats a 30-second perfect prompt every time. Step 4. The part most tutorials skip. The video we made of that boy on the dial phone is not a recovered memory. It's a guess. His real smile, whoever he was, wherever he lived, wasn't that one. The smile you saw came from the AI's training data, from thousands of other people's faces. The AI is doing exactly what AI always does: confident pattern matching. It's a beautiful guess, but it's a guess. This matters for three reasons. One, enjoy it for what it is: a loving simulation, not a recovered memory. Treat it like a beautiful painting, not a documentary clip. Two, don't share it without context. If someone else sees the video without knowing it's AI, they might think they're watching real footage. Be honest about where it came from. Three, think before animating other people's relatives. Animating your own grandmother is one thing. Animating somebody else's deceased parent without asking is another. Photos of the dead are deeply personal. Handle them like you'd handle their wedding ring. I made a free one-page cheat sheet with all 4 steps, the prompts that worked, and the iteration trick. Link in the description. Save it to your phone. So, recap. 4 steps, 3 free tools, 2 short prompts: restore and colorize in ChatGPT, animate in Hailuo or any free tool you like. Try it on anything, and when AI gets weird, just iterate. And remember, AI isn't recovering the moment. It's making its best guess at what it might have looked like. Enjoy the magic, but don't confuse it for the memory. If this episode moved you or made you laugh, leave a comment and tell me whose photo you're going to animate first, or what you'd ask a 3-pawed cat. I read everyone's replies. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And if you missed episode 8 on restoring old family photos, start there. This episode picks up exactly where it left off. Until next time, go animate something beautiful. Just remember what you're really watching.